In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or a custom design, being able to quickly adjust the size of an image is really important. I'll walk you through a simple way to do this using Canva's built-in tools, and I'll give you some tips along the way so your design still looks clean and professional. First, make sure you already have your design open in Canva with the image you want to adjust placed on the canvas. Once you can see your image in the design area, start by clicking directly on the image. When you select it, you'll notice that a border appears around it, usually with little handles or circles along the corners and sides. This shows that the image is active and ready to be edited. With the image selected, look at the toolbar that appears above your design. Among the options there, you'll find an icon labeled Crop. Go ahead and click on the crop icon. This switches you into cropping mode, which is Canva's way of letting you control exactly which part of the image is visible in your design. Now that you're in cropping mode, you'll see adjustable edges around your image. To resize by cropping, move your mouse to one of the sides or corners of the image frame. Click, hold, and drag inward to remove unwanted areas, or drag outward if Canva allows it, to include more of the image that might be slightly hidden. Take your time as you drag so you don't accidentally cut off something important, like text, faces, or key details in the picture. As you adjust, pay attention to how the image looks inside the frame. You can also click and drag the image itself within that crop box. This lets you reposition the photo without changing the size of the frame. It's especially useful if you want to keep a specific subject centered or follow a certain composition, like the rule of thirds. If you don't need to crop and you just want to make the image bigger or smaller on the canvas, you can skip the crop button entirely. Simply click on the photo to select it, then hover over one of the corner handles and drag outwards to enlarge or inwards to shrink it. Using the corners helps you maintain the image's proportions so it doesn't look stretched or squished. When you're happy with how everything looks, click outside the image or press Done if that option appears. Your resized image is now in place and ready to use in your final design.